Hey guys, what's going on? Today's video is going to be a little bit different. We're spending the day, it's a weekend, we're spending the day over at Rachel's grandpa's. They got several trees that's above their houses and it's kind of dangerous, and you know these Oklahoma storms and stuff's been knocking limbs and all this around. They got a rent house up here, and then they got all kinds of walnut and oak trees and all kinds of big trees that's over the house and over some buildings and stuff. So we got some family members together. We got the Kubota loaded up, we got the beast, the dump truck loaded up. We're not ready to work. We're not gonna do a lot of talking today. We're just gonna kind of show you guys what we're doing today away from the farm, and we're gonna try to get some work done and help them out a little bit.
Yeah, so we have a tree trimming crew here that's gonna help out too. So, and
hopefully we can get some of these logs out of some of them walnut and maybe a big pine tree, and we'll haul them back to the house. We'll just have to see how it goes.
So join us on our little work adventure today. Hey guys, so I'm going to give you a quick update. We have been out here since 7 a.m. this morning. It is now 11 and we've got a lot of work done. We've got some family here that's helping us, and like I said before, there's the tree crew that's also working simultaneously as we're doing different things, and we have put the equipment to the test today. It has been worked hard. I've especially been working that dump truck super hard, and it has ran like a beast. So they're trimming this tree up over there. They're not going to cut that all the way down, but they're just trying to get it, you know, off of the roof of the house. We cut this down. My cousin's working on that. We cut some of these fruit trees that we put in there. And then we got the tree crew down there working on, they're taking out these 3 trees here. So Kevin's taking a little break. Hello? That's my cousin. And my battery's fixing to die, so I'm gonna have to change that out. So I'll give you an update a little later on when we make some more progress.
Alright, so we need to head home and let Skeeter out to go to the bathroom stuff. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and drive the dump truck. I've got 3 of these big sycamore logs on here. I don't know what length they are, we're just trying to cut them down. But we're going to go ahead and take these home and drop them off and fill up the truck with gas. And we'll come back and see if we can get some more logs here when they get these walnuts cut down.
These suckers are heavy too.
Sycamores,
I mean,
always grow around water, so they suck up a lot of water. Whenever he was actually cutting into this thing to cut it down, this is only one of the limbs on the tree. This ain't even the trunk of the tree.
God.
It actually just started pouring out water like crazy.
Yeah.
So I'll show you guys how big that is. Pretty good size. So we're gonna run these home and drop them off, and we'll be back.
update. We've got a lot of work done, but we still have a ton of work to do. It is now 2:15. We started at 7 this morning, and we still have a bunch left. Tons. We still have, we're going to have the tree trimming crew cut this limb down. We're cutting all that up into firewood and loading that separately from just this brush that was burned. And we still have all of this, all of that. I think they're trying to decide if they want to go ahead and finish cutting down that sycamore tree. And then the tree trimming crew is way back there working on those trees. They've got a pile, I don't know if you can see it, they've got a pile of brush going down there that we've got to clean up. And then some others that way. So we've still got a lot of work to do to get this finished up. So, but we've got a lot of people out here working really hard, so hopefully we get it done. Alright, so we moved on this side of the house. The tree trimmer guys have been working on those 3 trees right there, and they've got most of the tops cut out of them. So now Kevin's going to work on all this additional brush and limbs. There's one in the yard over there. So now we've got to work down here. We're still not finished on the east side of the house, but we're making progress.
Try to cut a little bit of it off so they can save that whole log because that's a walnut. Cut enough off to clear this little service line, and then they'll have enough to where they can saw the whole base of the tree down and get maybe 10 or 12 feet.
Alright, y'all. So I'm sitting in the truck waiting on Kevin to load me some more brush up on the dump truck. So I thought I'd give you a little tour of the beast, because that's what I'm gonna call her, the beast, because she has worked hard today And she may not be the prettiest thing, but my gosh, she is a beast. So, this is what you call open dash. Open dash. I don't know. Well, I mean, that could be a cubby for all kinds of stuff. You know, your pew-pew, what, you know, just whatever, man. You know, and then you got a place there for your cell phone, you know, if you want to use it. And let's see, we ain't got an air conditioner, but we do have heater, even though it's like 85 degrees today. I don't think we need it. I don't think the gas gauge works. Not sure what else. Then, I mean, this is ornamental right here, decorative. Nice branch in the vehicle. And then, of course, to make all of us work harder, we got yee yee. Because, I mean, Earl Dibbles Jr. is probably the hardest worker I know. And we completely support Yee Yee. Because he's awesome. Granger Smith. He's an awesome guy. So, Kevin's loading me up some more. I don't know if you can see that. So that's kind of been our process today. Kevin has done some absolutely excellent tractor driving. Oh, farm hair, don't care. I'm filthy. Don't judge. Anyway, we have been working hard. The tree trimming crew was outstanding. They did a great job. Nothing was damaged. And they had some huge trees next to the houses, as you've seen. We're still not done. It's like 5 o'clock. We've been at it since 7. And like I said, Kevin has, I'm pretty impressed with his tractor driving. So, I mean, he's pretty skilled at a lot of things, but his tractor driving is amazing. And so, we just been picking up. I haven't filmed everything because it's been just the same thing over and over. Cut the trees down, load the branches up on the dump truck, cut up the firewood where possible, and then I go dump it and then come back and just, you know, it's just been that all day, and everybody's worked their rears off, let me tell you. But it is very rewarding that we've been able to come help family and to help your elders with something that they would not have been able to do. And our tractor and grapple bucket has been a lifesaver. It has saved a lot of back-breaking work. So it's been an awesome day. I mean, this is awesome. I know a lot of people may not like the hard physical labor and things like that, but it's rewarding and it's gratifying to be able to just come help people out when needed. And Kevin and I are blessed to have the tractor that we've been able to pay for, and the dump truck. My cousins all brought their chainsaws and the dump trucks that they had. We just had a lot of help today. Not as much as we would hoped to have had, but we had a lot of help. We did. We had some good help. And like my aunts, you know, they're still taking care of Grandpa in there, and they've been feeding everybody pizza and keeping everybody hydrated, and just, it's been an awesome day. So like I said, I'll come back when we're all finished, because it's like just monotonous, the same stuff over and over, and you can only film so much of that. So we're gonna bring you back and let you see the finished results, or what we get done with today. I don't know if we'll be completely done or not, because as you've seen, they pulled down that huge sycamore tree and we still have all of it to haul off. So we've got like 2 huge burn piles. So we're definitely gonna have to have a family weenie roast when it gets time. So, I mean, there's always a positive. So anyway, we'll see you when all this is finished. I'll show you what we've done for the day, and thanks for sticking with us. are pretty much done for the day. As you can see, the sun is going down. It's like 6:30, but we are actually going to take these logs home. We've got several walnuts and one pine, one big pine that we're going to take and hopefully mill up. But we got some great logs out of it. Look how pretty that is. I know I don't do it justice right now. That's beautiful. Very pretty. Alright guys, I told you I would show you the end result. They cut down those two giant trees. One was a pine and I think the other two were walnut. One's back there in the corner, it's gone. Then they cut down a big tree right there. I think that was a blackjack that they cut down right there, and that one was really messy. Then they cut one down there. Then they trimmed some of these limbs. And then that big tree there, you can see where they trimmed it all up nice. That one took quite a while because it was over that house. And we trimmed those trees up all through there and got all that cleaned up. So all we have left is quite a bit of raking and burning leaves because there's a lot of little sticks left over. It kind of made a mess. But oh my gosh, it's so much better. I would call that an extremely successful family work day. We got a lot done. There's a little bit of cleanup left, but of course it's going to be dark here in just a minute. So anyway, Kevin is going to get this first load of logs on the dump truck tied down and secure, and we're going to take it home and then come back and get a second load. And I don't know how many logs we ended up with. I'll have to go count.
Alright guys, thank you so much for tuning in today. As you can see, the sun's starting to go down. We got our first load of logs here. Well, actually our second load. We already took those 3 sycamores to the house earlier, but now we're going to take these walnuts. I don't know how well you guys can see this. This is a big walnut, but look at this.
Isn't it pretty?
I cannot wait to cut into that. Then we got the pine over here. Some more walnuts. And we got some more odd shaped walnuts and some stump walnuts over there. But we are going to in this video, I know I didn't talk a whole lot in it. Rachel was kind of carrying the camera around. I was just on the tractor mostly trying to get all this done. We got 2 major big brush piles now.
Huge.
But we were going to try to do this in 3 weekends, and we actually got it done in one day. We got here at 7 o'clock this morning. It's almost 7 p.m. now, so I know this sun's kind of weird. But anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching this video and following our channel. If you're not subscribed, please hit that subscribe button. Leave us a comment, like this video, and we'll see you next time.
Thank you, guys.